Hi! In front of me is Redmi Note 12 Pro Plus, and today I would like to show you how you can operate all vibration options available on this device. First of all, you need to open Devices Settings. In them, scroll down and tap on Sound and Vibration. Following that, scroll down again and tap on this switcher next to Vibrate Vocals. This way you can disable or enable incoming calls vibrations. You can also click on this one next to Vibrate in Silent Mode to disable or enable vibrations while your device is muted. When you finished, scroll down and click on this switcher next to Haptic Feedback to turn it off or on. If you decide to enable vibrations for gestures and system controls, you can also adjust intensity of them by swiping left or right on this slider. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!